how to turn on read receipts on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you disabled read receipts on Instagram and now want to enable it again? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to turn on read receipts on Instagram. Open Instagram on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with the profile picture at the bottom right corner. You will be directed to your Instagram profile page. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. A menu will appear. Select settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see how others can interact with you section. Tap on messages and story replies. Under who can see your online section, you will find the option for show read receipts. Tap on it. Finally, toggle on the button for the read receipts feature. Once you turn it on, both the sender and recipient will be able to see when a message has been read. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to turn on read receipts on Instagram. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.